All right, so I don't know how we're gonna piece that together. We're gonna have to pick it back up, put it back in the bowl. I'm gonna let Kiki do some talking this time. I still gotta pick the camera up and show what's in my bowl. Hold on. Let's see if we can see. Oh.
I really don't have much to say. Only because I'm starving.
It's
And
Kiki.
So I'm about to grub. Like I really.
And ReeRee.
Yeah.
ReeRee and Kiki. And this is
Wait, we should say where we're at. So we're at Flamin' Joe's.
and we need to talk louder because last time I looked at my video I could barely hear myself.
No, I thought it was fine.
Go ahead, baby.
That's all. Flamin' Joe's. Seafood.
Yes.
With a Christmasbang.
Christmas mukbang in this thing. I got that good garlic butter. Oh my God, it's got big chunks of garlic in it. It's my favorite. We're doing good. How about you? Yes. I'm gonna be dipping that shrimp all in that garlic sauce. We always get the spicy with the crab legs and shrimp and potatoes and andouille sausage and man. This corn is hot as ever. So these people close at 3 o'clock. It is now 1:46. Oh, it's spicy. I hope they don't throw us out because I'm about to take my time with this. Let me pile on some of this garlic. Hold on. Oh, right there. Garlic chunks.
The garlic.
All on top of the shrimp. Here we go.
Your garlic ain't looking like that.
Ooh, baby.
You ain't doing. Look at that drip.
Dripping all
Drip
over
for
the
sale.
table.
We got drip for sale.
Oh my God. Man.
Oh, Lord.
Oh,
Lord.
you stupid. Oh, Lord have mercy, it's a fire. And I just ran from the fire. Ran from the fire.
Ran for your life, girl.
I ran for the fire. Oh, ran for my life. No, ran for the fire. I don't know. Whatever. Kiki, your earrings look so cute. Show everybody your little Christmas bows. Oh, that's so cute. This girl done went to work. Is them pajamas? Show everybody the little front of your outfit. Pull the shirt up. Oh, it looks so cute.
It has a little belt.
I got a t-shirt on to say, what the elf?
That's hilarious.
What the? Yeah, that's what the shirt say. It say, what the elf? Yes.
Garlic
so,
on garlic on garlic on garlic.
Ooh.
Okay. Here's my corn. What that's? We need to sprinkle.
Check out these crab legs.
Where's that sprinkle?
They ain't that big, but we about to do this. We need to get that spicy sprinkle that we like to get extra.
Put some kind of sticks in this garlic. Just look at that.
I'm about to eat them sticks.
Always put the garlic on the top.
Go on, learn. I'm telling you.
We got you the Holy Ghost up in here.
Lord have mercy. Thank you. Well,
Look at the grease.
I've been waiting on this. Oh, golly. I called Kiki today, or texted her one. I want some Flamin' Joe's.
And I said, me too, so bad. So bad, baby.
And I jumped straight about that bed.
And you know it's not one of our videos without an orange soda.
Don't you want that?
Fanta?
Don't you want that? Want that Fanta? Gotta have that good Fanta. And some of this good garlic. Just look at it, just got chunks. Oh, hold on, y'all, hold on. Every time we order this garlic butter, we specify that we need extra garlic chunks in it.
Go down to the bottom of the pan.
We don't get to the bottom of the barrel.
Yes.
And scrape down at the bottom.
You ain't living right if you ain't doing it like that, okay?
I'm telling you. Man. We got some of that good andouille sausage. Look at that. Check out that sausage. They got the sausage. Look, I'm like,
Don't do that.
Girl. I'm telling you, it is great. Got me sweating already. You don't got no spice in it. I don't even want it. I don't usually squeeze this lemon on it, but I'm about to do it today.
I already threw my lemon out.
You threw it out? I was about to start running. I don't know why they gave us gloves. I don't know who they thinking about for the seafood. I don't need no damn gloves.
Excuse me.
I gotta lick the fingers.
Finger looking good?
Right?
How can you tell if it's good or not?
I can tell what is good. You lick.
If you don't lick your fingers.
I'm trying to think about the combination of licking the gloves and the seasoning. We got them good potatoes in here. I gotta take a bite first. Ooh. Then you gotta do what you did and pile that garlic up on the inside of that thing. Get it real greasy. Yes. If it ain't sloppy, it ain't right. Go on here and bite that real good. Oh. Ooh. That brought tears to my eyes and a booger to my nose. Hold on.
I have to get the exorcist up in here.
You gonna need the exorcist? That ain't even gonna work. This is way too good. Hold it. This is the best thing that happened to me all day. Hold on, y'all got to blow real quick. My nose got hot.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
I boil it. Kiki, man the camera, man the camera. Man down. My man down in the corner. Crying and everything. He's trying to make a comeback. Give me 5, hold on. I'll come back to join you, Elizabeth. I'm just saying, give me a minute. I'm in the corner, I can't, well, you know, I can do it on camera, but I'm trying
That
not
potato's
to.
hot.
Like hot? Like hot.
Oven
Yeah,
hot.
I've been into it. That's why you think I got this corner. I got burnt up. 3rd degree on the lip. I'm back though. Hold on. I'm back. Hold on.
This is an odd. Is it me or they mixing up the shrimps?
I don't know. But let me tell you, we
This
ain't
is like
asked
the
for the
normal size.
We ain't asked for the
This
damn
is a
salt.
little one that I got here.
See, I need the extra sprinkle because I suck all the sprinkle off.
Yeah. Let me see.
I ain't even peeled the shell off yet.
And you already
I'm just sucking the seasoning.
right.
All right, I'll go ahead and peel it now. I need to use this little side bowl they gave us. I'm about to fill this up.
When I get that feeling.
You need seafood healing?
Yeah.
Seafood healing. Yes. Well, you got a story to tell again. I mean, didn't I tell the last story?
You did, but I don't really have a story.
You don't
to
got
tell.
nothing. She don't tell nothing. She
Well,
don't
I
got
mean, I
nothing to
really
tell.
don't have a story to tell.
You ain't never got nothing to tell any damn ways.
I mean,
You ain't got nothing about like the Grinch that stole Christmas or something?
no.
What? I know something happened, girl.
How is everything?
Everything is good, thank you.
Excuse me.
Oh, I don't know yet.
Can we get some of that sprinkle that you guys have?
Yes. Oh, who was that talking behind us? Girl, grab a sprinkle.
Thank you.
Thank you. Telling y'all this sprinkle is the bomb. Say what you want to say, but I had to put something in a little cup.
She put it right in front of me. She should have put it in a
I don't
little
know
cup
what
so we
it-
don't have to grab on that
I don't
thing.
know what it's called though. What kind of seasoning is this? I don't know. I came one time, they gave me a cup. I took it home and cooked up some stuff. Came back the next time, they gave me a whole bowl. I was like, thank you, Jesus.
I'm gonna try to show my bowl without spilling it.
Don't spill it now.
You can only see the crab.
I'll show mine. Let me see. I'm about to spill the
Ooh, I'm
juice.
getting close.
My juice is on edge. My juice looking good too. Man. Let's try to crack into these crab legs.
Yeah.
I've been trying to save the messy, but it's time gonna do it.
Time to bust down Tatiana.
About the only Christmas I got going on is Christmas Eve. On Christmas Day, I'm going to make money instead of spend money.
Yo,
Gotta get that time and a half, you know.
to the crack.
He's stupid. And I ain't gonna lie to you, other than this Flamin' Joe's,
Mess with me.
I ain't spent 5 cents for Christmas.
Do I look like I'm mess with me?
You look cray-cray.
Oh,
Just a little bit, yo. You had that don't mess with me look in your eyes. I was
That's the point.
about to slide over like, shoot, I don't want none either. I ain't messing with nothing. I don't know what's going on, but I ain't doing it.
I'm always belching.
Yeah, though, for real. Ooh, shoot. But I for real, call everybody and their mama. Ooh,
There
shoot.
ain't nobody getting nothing.
I'm saying about getting nothing.
Somebody at work got me a gift and said, I ain't get you nothing.
I'm telling you, it might sound messed up, but I got bigger things popping. I ain't spending
Sorry.
nothing. We sorry.
Sorry, not sorry, baby.
But you can best believe, I got a Merry Christmas for everybody. Merry Christmas! Ooh, yeah, Happy New Year. Ain't doing nothing for New Year's either. Somebody done already called me talking about y'all want to go out with them on New Year's. I was thinking to myself, is it free? Because I like free stuff. Now, if you talking about it free and I ain't got, sure. And that's if I don't work. Time and a half
I
again,
got
I
invited
think.
out tonight and I was like, ooh.
Oh, you done made me spend crab legs
Ooh, 'cause
everywhere.
not me. I'm not going anywhere. That sounds expensive.
I'm telling
You said
you.
where? Bar who? No.
I'm telling you,
Good.
man, when you got big goals going on, I don't know what everybody else do, but I sit on my paper.
You know, and it was far out, and your girl don't drink and drive, so
And your mama don't either.
that's Uber money, and I don't have that.
That's right.
I put that in the savings.
Real story. We don't drink and drive.
Oh, I should. Wait a minute. I didn't do that one justice.
And I don't trust riding with nobody that's out with me and they drinking too. You can leave me right here.
Right.
I'm waiting for my Uber. No, I ain't with it. No.
I'm not gonna lie. A little bit of lemon juice accidentally got on there, and it was good.
You can call it what you want to. Somebody told me one time what they said. I'm trying to think about what the word was called. They said I was a square.
Your mama.
And I was like, you can square these. Yeah, because you say your mammy. You stupid. Listen, girl. We gonna be talking about nobody. She ain't mean that, y'all. But I did mean you can square these, because if it mean that I'm a square, because I ain't drinking and driving and thugging, I guess I'm a square.
Boogie.
Thuggy.
Oh, I only get 2 potatoes.
I don't know how many potatoes. Let me see how many. Yep, you only got 2. Man, I like them, but they getting a little short over here. I need a spoon. You know what I notice every time? We don't get no spoon. I need a spoon so I can get down with the garlic. I'm telling you, I don't do this very often because I eat so much butter and grease when I come here, and I don't feel bad either. I don't feel bad.
This is a blue moon type of situation.
It's a special occasion. Come on in here, Kiki. I'm telling you, I need a spoon though.
For real. Murder this. Gonna be sleep.
Another worthless moment.
What you doing tonight, sleep? Sleeping.
I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't know if I'm going to sleep just yet.
Get the garlic right here like this.
Oh,
And you put it on top.
trying to see if I can get a big piece out.
Get you some.
Come on. Oh,
Put it on top. God bless.
and you know that shit about my scissors. They ain't got no scissors up in here.
Yeah, this little thing.
Oh crap. I'll try it. But I like the scissors better because you can just cut it right on open. And see, look at there. Just get on. Just sit with that.
Is you in there enough?
I think so. Oh, you know what? This ain't.
It ain't strong enough for
You
it.
don't gotta look like that.
What's wrong with
My
it?
hands too greasy. It ain't really cutting it right.
My hands, they're strong.
She does not own the rights to that song. Now go ahead and sing it. You got about 10
Oh,
seconds.
good.
Go, no problem.
I just wanted to
Go
say
ahead.
that part.
Oh, okay. Yeah, she don't own the rights to that song. And we ain't sponsored by Fanta either. Just to let y'all know.
Yeah.
If y'all see any more Fantas
Yeah.
in this video,
Oh,
we ain't sponsored by Fanta.
we ain't sponsored, baby, but if you want a sponsor, we'll take it. We'll take it.
Oh, look at that big shrimp.
All right, ain't finna be no more talking.
I guess we're just finna get down now. Bunch of licking and smacking.
Business to
Too
take
much
care
talking. Not enough
of.
focusing.
Things to tend
Oh, golly, that garlic is just whamming all over the place. God. And it's the only time I eat garlic, too. Ain't that crazy?
Yeah, I don't really like garlic.
I might use a little garlic salt, but I don't really be eating like the real garlic for real, for real. But when I get here, I just be, man, just a garlic rampage. Man.
They be like, you want a little bit of garlic or a lot of garlic? I'd be like, yes.
Guess what? A little bit of lot.
All of
A
it.
little bit of lot.
That means all, both of them.
You crazy. You want a little bit of lot of. Ooh.
Yes.
All right, y'all. Well, it's another wrap up. I was gonna tell y'all about the Grinch that stole Christmas.
We'll be back at the end to say goodbye.
But I think we've been on here a long time, so we'll save that for another day. Oh my God. I'm telling you, the seafood
Now we
is
can keep
right.
going. We can
And
leave
for
it
real,
on,
for
but
real.
I'm just not going to be talking that much to me.
I don't even look at my whole hand. For real, for real. To me, it's hard to find some decent seafood in our location. But right here,
Yeah, Colorado need to step it up.
I wasn't gonna tell y'all where I was at, but since she done bust me all out and stuff,
It's okay. It's the internet. They will find out.
don't come looking for me. Don't come for me. You heard me? Don't come for me.
Whoa. Don't come. Don't come for her.
Don't come
unless
for me.
she sent for you.
That part. Tell them again, baby.
Don't come for her unless she sent for you. And even then, don't do it.
Ain't gonna be worth it.
Waste of time.
Waste of time.
You really, you ever be eating, but you hungry? You be eating, but you still hungry. Well,
You ain't-
I'm eating, but I'm hungry.
You eating, but you still hungry.
Yeah. I've been waiting for this all day. We really didn't eat nothing today, like last time.
No, I for real didn't eat nothing. But let me quit. I'm always lying on my stomach.
All right, I had some Pringles. I'm not even.
All right, I have 4 scrambled eggs and 2 cups of coffee. Wasn't nothing to write about though. Shit.
No real meal was eaten
That's
today.
baby food.
No real meal. I feel like they changed their shrimp. It just has a different look to
I
it.
think they got better because last time we came, they had some.
Yeah.
I don't even know what had happened to them. I was upset. They was all
Soft.
pruning in. I was like, man, what is these baby
Now, what does
shrimp?
pruning look like? What's pruning mean?
Oh, small, shriveled, and dried up. Oh, pruning. I was like, man.
Oh, you mean puny?
I said pruning, but I'll let her give y'all the correct pronunciation.
No, I thought you really meant pruning. That's why I was like, what does that mean?
I said that. That's what I really had meant.
I didn't know you really meant puny.
You know I don't be trying to properly pronounce words. That take the fun out.
No, I really was. I'm not even joking. I thought that was a word.
You thought it was a word? You stupid. It is kind of. It's a word, okay? I own the rights to that word. Okay? You seen it in the Urban Dictionary? Okay. I'm putting garlic on the sausage. Look.
Yeah,
I'm like, shit. I don't. I might have called back. I need some more garlic too.
I'm saying.
My blood pressure and everything, but it's so good.
Didn't Drake say you only live once?
Woo, and you ain't coming back. Unless somebody tell that lie if they want to. Tell me she's coming back. All right. Man. You come back, I'm telling you. I ain't never eating seafood again. Sometimes you gotta be officially marked gone. Like for real, been gone. And then came on back. I quit. I'm lost for words. Yeah, I'm telling you, got spice, got your nose running at the same time. I don't care, I'm digging and eating at the same time. Digging and eating at the same time. Okay, I was trying it, but it seems like every time I do it, don't work. Wow, you got some of your too? You better get that apron floss. I call it the apron. Girl.
What to do next?
What you mean what to do next? Keep eating. What you mean? What you mean what to do next?
I didn't know what I was gonna pick next.
Oh, I was gonna say, girl, just keep eating. Don't even worry about it.
Whoa.
I really do need a spoon. Seems like every time I get somewhere, I need some extra stuff. I might throw a finger. Where that church finger at? I gotta wait till you look this way and put the finger up. I don't know if y'all ever went to church. In my church, you had to go to the bathroom. You had to put that finger up and then creep down the middle aisle in the middle of the pastor preaching and everything. Yeah. You are silly.
That's what this food makes me make me want to do.
Ooh. I'm telling you, I ain't never ate the whole bowl.
Probably has some crack in it.
Some what? Girl, some what?
It's probably got some crack in it.
I'm telling nobody that. Girl, you crazy. Ain't no crack in here. She is tripping. She just addicted to this seafood.
Yeah, I'm gonna need a spoon.
I think it still requires recovery.
Indeed.
When you come back, we're gonna get one. Oh, yeah, because I need to dig in my bowl and stuff. Like, this little bitty fork, they wrong for this. This food make you want to dance. Excuse me.
Yes.
Can I get a spoon, please?
Yes, of course.
Two. Thank you.
Yeah, but you're doing a bachata or something.
Make you want to dance. I remember when it was time to eat when I was little. Mom used to call you to the table. It's 5 of us now, but it was only 3 at the time. So Mama treating that Quilla? Oh man, it's time. Let's go eat. Happy? Thank you so much.
You over here getting it?
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. She talking about, I see you over here getting it. Restaurant acting a fool. Oh, golly.
Whoa.
Happy? Do you think we can eat this whole thing? Because we never do.
Excuse me. Probably not.
I'll be on the
I don't know. I'm hungry.
Hold on,
today.
wait, man. No garlic up in here.
I'm
Hold
hungry today.
on. No, look at there. I need some. See, that ain't it. I need some of these pieces. Pieces. You see the pieces on there. The pieces.
Pieces.
We don't own the rights to that song right there.
You got the roll to come. You got the
You can't even
roll
show them
to
that you're
corn.
rolling it in the juice.
And then, this is not healthy, but bad for the heart, good for the soul, okay?
What Dre said? like that's his saying. That's funny. Woo!
Well, I don't know about finishing the whole thing today.
I don't know. I'm about to try it.
Hurt myself.
We about to shut the restaurant down. Cause it's Christmas Eve and they about to close soon, and they ain't going nowhere until I'm ready. They're gonna be standing here like, man, is she done yet? He said period.
Period.
They're gonna be standing here like, is she done yet? I'm gonna be looking at them like, do I look like I'm done?
Do I look like I'm done, Susan?
I'm telling you, I'm so greasy right now. I'm telling you, I'm so greasy. Look at that.
My nose running.
I don't know how I'm getting out of here. I'm about to crawl out of here. Oh my God.
To rock the night away.
My hands are something serious, I'm telling you. I don't care about nothing, I'm licking. Air finger. That spice. Oh, Lord have mercy. My eyes burning. My nose running. And she got food all over the table. What? Oh, shoot. Girl.
You too cool for school.
Yes, I like that garlic chunks on the crab leg. Here. Just let it sit there, right there. Well, hey there. I'm gonna let it soak up some of that. Oh, look, it's got all the garlic. Look. You say dilly beloved. Oh. Look at that, Kiki. Look at that. Just look at it. Just dripping. Terrific. Oh, girl. You gotta close your eyes, then pop my eyes out. Come on, I need that whole piece. You heard me? I'm like, come on. I need that whole piece. Ooh.
It wasn't even that.
That was enough. It was enough to go on and dip it. Well, I guess we're gonna wrap up this thing because it's about 40 minutes long.
We ain't about to finish all this.
Oh no, we ain't. I ain't even know to eat fake it. If we do, it's gonna be a minute.
Yeah, so thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell your mama them.
Tell your mama them.
Tell your mama them.
Tell your churn. Tell all of them.
We'll see you for the next video.
Yeah. Next time we're gonna be doing something different. It ain't gonna be all food.
Nah.
We're gonna be doing whatever we feel like doing, right?
Right.
Yeah. You wanna watch us? Go on and watch us. You don't wanna
be
watch
playing
us?
games.
Don't watch
Don't be playing
us.
games either. Don't come over here and not hit subscribe.
Don't come for us. I already told them that. Don't come for us. If you gonna look at us, we need you to go and subscribe. I don't care if it's 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. I prefer you watch the whole thing though. But you know, go ahead and do that.
You already here.
Might as
You
well.
already made the trip.
Right?
Might as well click to subscribe. All right.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.